Today I'm starting a new YouTube series where I'm collaborating with my subscribers. I'm gonna start a bit, make these stems available for everyone. By the way, the link is gonna be in the description box. You can download the stems, complete the instrumental, and send it back to me. I'm gonna do a listening session where I listen every single instrumental and choose the one I love the most. I'm gonna drop them on my YouTube channel. So let's have some fun. For this instrumental, we're gonna start with the drums and tempo set at 110 and go to the Afro Bass Roboto Volume 3, Afro Groove Live, and then let's go to perk. Okay, let's start with this. Sorry. Like simple. And then we continue with this one. Pum, 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 pum. It's a repetition of the first bar, but with another percussion. That's make it sound a little bit more complex, but it's simple. This is the same thing. Now we're gonna try to find a kick. Let's say we go to Suka. Let's use this one. Fill each first step. See, it's pretty simple. And now let's see if we can find some other percussion. Okay, we can add this. With this one, you just add accent to the percussion that pattern that is already existed, and we can find some snare. Two-chord snare will bring this vibe. You can see. We can add this too. Okay, this sounds better. I think I want to start with this. You see? Now we try to add more percussion. Maybe an IR. See? And it's a vibe already. We have our drum pattern. Now we can add maybe let's say we add a shaker. Let's add this. I love using this shaker. Sounds really good. And then now we switch to pattern. So okay, we can definitely add a conga. Okay. That's a vibe. Okay, now we can add our first instrument. Let's say we use the additive key and go to the Mark 1. I love using this electric piano. Let's use the last one. Oh, let's deactivate this. And then we add the F, the bass F right there. And let's say that we create a new pattern for this. Okay, we go down to D major, and then we go back to E, I think. E major, Yeah, for this one we go directly to B. And another thing we can do to make this sound better, everywhere we have another percussion, we can lower the first one a little bit. Okay, this one is too loud now. That's a vibe. Guys, you can do anything that you want with this instrumental. Just create something that's crazy, that sound crazy. That's it. Pattern 2. Okay, now I think I want to add a bass. Let me go with trillion, and I'm not gonna do anything else. Maybe add some vocal chop, but the idea now is to just add a bass, and then I'm done with my part, and I'm gonna make it available for y'all guys to turn it into something crazy. Let's go with this clean finger. Like don. Woo! It's a vibe. Okay, I recently downloaded some crazy sample from Splice. Let's see if we can find one that fit to this instrumental. And this one, I think I'm gonna chop it just right there and then see if it's work. If it doesn't work, we'll move to something else. Sorry. Okay, and also this. Let's turn this down. Okay, I think I'm gonna add the last instrument. Let's say we go to Omnisphere. It's gonna be the last instrument, guys. I'm not gonna add anything else. Just wanna create a little call and response as we used to do in the past. Let's go to patch. Let's go to I'm gonna use the Gossamer keyboard. Command A. Okay, maybe right there. I'll Q. So this has to be there, I think. Okay. Okay. It's gonna be like that. That's it. And You can do. Sorry. That's crazy. Okay, let's use this. Guys, I don't think I'm gonna do anything else. The only thing I think I should take a look at is this Collins response situation. Maybe I'm gonna change it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, and make sure to link these stems in the description box so you can complete the instrumental and turn it into a banger. Don't forget to download this time using the link in the description box. Hopefully, guys, you create some banger. I can't wait to hear what you turn this instrumental into. So, yeah, if you have questions, leave a comment down below, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.